What is at Automation Direct? Any automation or industrial project relies on electricity. From control panels to motors, sensors to lighting, maintaining the proper voltage for all devices is crucial for the safety, efficiency, and life expectancy of your system. If the voltage is too high, it can lead to potentially harmful temperatures and burnouts. If the voltage is too low, mechanical devices may not function correctly, potentially causing a cascading brownout situation in your system. Whenever a change in line voltage is necessary, buck-boost transformers should be your initial line of defense. They offer an affordable and secure way to ensure proper voltages even in non-standard situations. But what is a buck-boost transformer? Buck-boost transformers are single-phase autotransformers designed to either decrease or increase the available output line voltage by 5 to 20%. How do they work? A buck-boost transformer takes input voltage from the primary side, steps it up or down, and then outputs the adjusted voltage to a connected device. Unlike standard isolated transformers, buck-boost transformers consist of 2 primary windings and 2 secondary windings. By connecting the windings in different ways, a buck-boost transformer can either add or subtract from the line voltage to achieve the desired output. What are the benefits? They have a small form factor, making it easier to install in congested layouts. They're inexpensive compared to full-size single or 3-phase transformers. They're energy efficient, saving you money in the long run. And they're versatile. They can be configured and reconfigured as needed. Where are buck-boost transformers best used? They're best used in isolated systems far away from standard transformers, in power distribution to HVAC, small motors, or lighting systems which could require several different voltage ratings, where connected equipment requires a different or non-standard voltage adjustment, and in systems that experience sagging voltage. Can you use buck-boost transformers in a 3-phase system? Yes. While buck-boost transformers are single-phase transformers, multiple units can be used to buck or boost 3-phase voltage installations. The number of units to be used depends on the number of wires in the supply line. For 3-wire Y supply lines, 2 transformers are needed. For 4-wire Y lines, you would need 3 transformers. When should you not use a buck-boost transformer? In places where isolation transformers are required, when the required output voltage is below 5% or over 20% the line voltage, in single-phase systems that require a neutral, and in locations with unstable line voltage. The buck-boost transformers in Automation Direct store are encapsulated models available with a range of power ratings from 50 volt amps to 5 kilovolt amps and come with a 10-year warranty. To learn more, visit AutomationDirect.com/buck-boost-transformers. Click here to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future Automation Direct videos. Click here to see more products from Automation Direct.